Hey y'all, hope all is well. It's just about dark here. Tell you what, them clouds are quite pretty. Well, you can't see the color, but anyway. I went ahead and straightened up for the night. Got all that long bar, punch, whatever you call it. And I got the panels lined up. Sitting over here out the way. That way they're not in the driveway and such because, as you can tell, people are working here during the day. My van feels naked. No solar panels. Takes me back. But then again, back then I didn't have lights inside either, but you know. Oh well, I have taken them off of here, and hopefully tomorrow I will have at least 3 solar panels on that van behind me. Forcing myself to have to do this. Yes, I'm plugged up for the night. I do have the blessing of that. I can plug up and such. My inverter battery, it's still fully charged because I barely use it anymore because I haven't used the air conditioner in days. It's nice and cool up here in Carolina. But the other battery, the one that runs the fridge and the lights and all that, it's only 56%. So yeah, I'm plugged up and it's charging. Just gives me something to do tomorrow. Of course, I'm nervous about putting holes in the roof of the van. Always am. No matter how many times I do this, I'm always nervous about putting new holes in the roof. But if that's going to be my home, I got to get off my rear end and make it my home. So I'm going to go ahead and sit in my recliner, turn on TV, drink me a couple cold ones, and relax for the evening in hopes and anticipation of installing solar on the big van tomorrow. I'll let you know how it goes. I hope all is well, and until next time, happy trails.